Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, you will know how to fix Metal Guard Solid Delta Snake Eater game freezing, not launching, crashing, not loading, lagging, showing black screen error on PC. So let's go through it. The first method is to restart PC. So for that, you need to click on Start option, then click on Power and select Restart. So after restarting your device or restarting your system, now try to launch the game and check if this resolves. If not, next is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to search option, search for device manager. Now go below, expand display adapters, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will search for the best drivers. If it is installed, then okay, or simply you need to update, and after that try to launch the game and see if this resolves the issue. Nvidia and AMD users can easily get the link in the description from where they can easily download and install the latest graphics cards on their device, and after that try to play the game and check if this resolves the issue. Next is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. After selecting, right click on it, select properties, and properties. Now under general, here you need to type -dx11 and then try to play the game and check if this resolves the issue. If not, then you need to type -dx12 and after that try to launch the game and check if this resolves the problem. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to search bar, search for check for updates, and here you will see if there is any update available, or simply click on check for updates, and after updating the Windows to the latest version, now try to play the game and check if this resolves the issue. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files, and here you need to click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, now check if the issue is fixed or not. Next is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to search bar, search for Windows Defender Firewall, click on allow an app or feature. Now click on change settings. After that, search for the game. In my case, it's already listed. If not, you need to click on allow another app, click on browse and go to the game folder, select your game and add it to the list over here. After that, select, then make sure to tick mark on both private and public boxes and then click on OK, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's now working or not. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that, go to search bar, search for task manager. Now under processes tab, you need to find the apps or games that is of no use or running in the background. Select it, right click on it and click on end task. So this will close the app that is running in the background. After that, try to launch the game and check if it resolves the issue. Next is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where it has been installed. So after going through it, select your game application and then right click on it, click on properties. After that, click on compatibility, and now here you need to click on run this program as an administrator. After that, click on apply and OK, and then try to launch the game and check if this resolves. If not, you need to click on run this program in compatibility mode 4, and after that select Windows 8 or Windows 7 and hit on apply and OK, and then try to launch the game and check if this resolves the issue. Next is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay application enabled, such as Nvidia Shadowplay or MSI Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game, so make sure you disable those third-party overlay applications, and after that try to launch the game and check if this resolves the problem. Next is to disable antivirus program. So if you are also having any antivirus program that can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issues, so the antivirus programs can block the game and you cannot play. So if it is then suggested to check the settings of that particular program, or simply disable the antivirus program, and after that try to launch the game and check if this resolves the issue. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, you have to open the link that I have provided in the description. After opening it, go below and download and install the Visual C++ files for your PC, and after that restart your system once and then log into the game and check if you can play it without any further problem. Next is to increase virtual memory. So for that, go to search bar, search for view advanced system settings. Now here click on settings under performance, then go to the advanced tab, then click on change, then make sure to disable this, and after that select the drive where your game has been installed, and now click on custom size, and initial size you have to write 24576, and the maximum size you have to type 49152, 49152, and then click on set and OK. So after this, try to launch the game and check if this resolves the problem. Next is to run the game as dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search bar, search for graphics settings. Now here you need to add your game. Check first if it is listed over here. If not, you need to add your game to the list. For that, click on add desktop app, then go to the game folder, and here you need to select the game and add it to the list. After adding it, you click on the arrow icon, and under GPU preference you need to select high performance. So after this, check if the error you are facing is resolved or not. If not, then last solution is to reinstall Metal Gear Solid Delta Snake Eater game. So for that, either you can go to Steam and uninstall the game, or go to the control panel and from there you can easily uninstall the game. So just go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, then right click on it, click on manage, then click on uninstall, and once again click on uninstall, and after that your game will be removed or uninstalled from your PC. After that, restart your system. After restarting, launch Steam and again reinstall the game, and then try to play the game and see if it has resolved the issue and you can play the game without any further problem. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.